Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem reverse letters than special characters in a string. So this problem was asked in Biweekly contest of Leetcode 175. So let's read out the problem. We are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and a special characters. Your task is to perform this in order. Reverse the lowercase letters and place them back into the position originally occupied by letters. And the second is like reverse the special characters and place them back into the positions originally occupied by special characters. Got it? So return the resulting string after performing the reversals. So they have given a test case wherein we have special characters and then letters. So we need to reverse those things. So I'll be telling on the board this example I'll be taking and I'll be telling you. And if you see the constant, they have said string length is at max 100, not more than that, and the string S consists of only lowercase English letters and special characters, and these are the special characters that they're taking care. I mean, they are just in the string S. Apart from this, nothing. Okay. So let me take this example on the board and explain you. So this problem is actually very easy. You just need to understand. So we have a string as EBC hash DA @F and then open parenthesis. Okay, it is not C. So in the question, what they've said is they have given a string. Okay, they have given string S. It's a string which contains lowercase English alphabets and second is like special characters they contain. Special characters they contain, and we don't have uppercase letters. This is not there. So in the question what they've said is first you need to take the lower lower string characters. If you see in this what we have E, B, C, and this is special character. This is again D, A we have, and then @ is special character we have F, and this is open parenthesis. So these are the lowercase English letters. We need to reverse this. When you reverse this, F will go here, E will go at this position. So reversing means you need to read from right to left. So you're getting F, A, D, C, B, E. So this is the reverse string. Now you need to put back this into the original string. So wherever you have lowercase letters, you try to put this order. So this remains unchanged because it is special character. So here we have lowercase, so it will go F. Here we have lower characters, so it will go A. Basically I'm taking one by one characters from this string. Okay, here we have C, so on the third position we have D. If you see here, so E is replaced with F, B is with A, C with D, and then we have hash as it is. Then we have D. In place of D we need to replace C. Then we have A. In place of A we have to replace B, and we have @ right @, and then we have F. F is replaced with E. Then we have closing parenthesis. Okay. So this is the string after reverser of lowercase English letters. Now you need to take special characters. So this is the open parenthesis special character. Then we have hash. Then we have @, then we have closing parenthesis. Now if you reverse this, what will happen? Try to read from right to left. So it is open parenthesis @ hash closing parenthesis, right? Now if you try to update string, your string is going to be, now you have open parenthesis, but when you replace it will be it is closing, so it will be open, and you have characters, write characters as it is. When you have hash, you should replace with @. Okay, now go again, CV. We have @, so in place of @ we have hash. Now E as it is, open parenthesis, so you should be replacing with close parenthesis. So this is a string that you need to print, or you need to return. So I think you have understood. So what we'll be doing is, in order to solve this, what I'll try to do is, I'll try to iterate through one by one characters of the S. Okay, and I'll take two strings. One string is going to be letters or characters, you can say, which will hold this E, B, C, D, A, F, C. Okay, and the other will be special characters. Okay, special character. This will hold closing parenthesis. Then we have hash. Then we have @. Then we have open parenthesis. I'll take in two separate string. Now I'll try to reverse this string. So my letters is going to be reversed. It will be C, F, A, D. Sorry, it is not C. So here also it is not. Okay, F, A, D, C, B, E. Now again special, I'll try to reverse. It is going to be right. So this thing is it will be. So now again I'll try to iterate in the string S. If I find a special character, I'll take two pointers which will point to these positions. So if you encounter a special character, so you replace with the special character which is pointing to this. So you replace with this, next move to next pointer. Now you have E, so it is in letter, so it is like F, move next pointer. So you have B again, so take this element, move next pointer. Next you have C, so C is again in this letter, so replace with D, move next pointer. Now next you have hash is like special, so replace with special character and move the pointer. So in this way if you go, so you will get the required string. So let's try to code it up. So let me first delete this. As I said, I'll take two strings. Let me call lowercase characters. Initially it is empty. Special characters. It is also empty. Now what I'll do is I'll take integer n as size of the string. I'll iterate through the string from left to right. If I find this S of I is greater than equals to A, and this S of I is less than equals to Z, so in that case what is going to be, it is going to be a lowercase English letter. So it will be in lowercase characters dot pushback S of I. Okay, else obviously it will be special character, because we don't have any uppercase or numbers, right? Now as asked in the question, we have to reverse this. Similarly, we have to reverse the special characters, right? Once you have done that, now let me take two index. I is pointing to lowercase characters, j is pointing to special characters. I'll run a loop. Again, same thing here I'll do. If I find that it is s of k, if I find that s of k is lowercase characters, so your s of k will be replaced with lower case characters of I, and the next pointer I'm going to increase. Else it is obviously a special character, so it is going to be special characters. Spelling, I think I have missed it here, so that's why. J++. So when you come out of this loop, you have a valid string, so just return it. Let's try to run it. Yeah, it is running fine. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it got accepted and beats 100% of the user. If you try to analyze the time complexity of this, so we have one for loop. Again here we have other for loops, so it's like 2n, which is basically linear. And space complexity, if you see, we are using a string, so it's basically array of characters. So at max we'll be using all both combined. These strings is going to be of length n, so it is also linear. So both time and space complexities are linear. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.